Hi, my name is Tanya, and this is my second assignment that will be extracting data from social sites. So this is my presentation. So I'm Tanya again, and I will be presenting my second assignment of social data mining. So basically, these are the requirements for this particular assignment. So first, we have to build a web application. So this web application will take real-time feeds. So basically any social site, it will extract data from any social site, that will be the real-time data, and it will display the data or media or anything from these social sites. And then this data will be stored and collected in a data source. And then basically a data model will be built. After this, the data will be stored in a cloud database. So it can either be MongoDB or Azure, any one. So we have to basically do it for two different social sites. So this is the flow chart, basically what I'll be doing. So first I will be building a web app. So I will be building a web app using Python. Then I will be doing social site connections. So basically these social site connections will be done with various API keys and secret keys that will be given from each developer website. Then I'll be displaying data from the sites. So this is basically I will be extracting data from both the social sites and displaying it. Then after that I will be posting data on social sites. So once I am writing any post, so it will automatically get posted on the social site that I am basically extracting the data for, and then the database connections will be done. So all the database connection that I will be using, that will be done. So these are the tools and languages that I have used. So basically I have used HTML for my web development. Then I have used Python, or Django with Python. So I have not used Flask, I have used Django here, using Python for building my web and scraping my data. For SQL, for databases, I have basically used two different data sources, because since I was not able to connect to a database, so I tried doing in two different databases. I have used Prog GRE SQL, which is already a part of Django, and I have also tried using Elephant SQL, and apart from that I have also tried using MongoDB for the database connection. So basically this is my data model. So I have used Twitter and Reddit. So for Twitter I have 5 column names, so that are the fields. So I have a Twitter ID, I have created at, added at, and tweet. So basically every my Twitter ID and my tweet is a mixture of variable and character, and my column created at and added at is basically telling me the date and the time. So Twitter ID will tell me the ID of the Twitter account. Tweet will tell, so the tweet will tell me the basic the description about what post has been tweeted. My created at will tell me the date and the time, like the tweet when it was created, and added at will tell me the date and the time the tweet that was added, that I have posted. So this is the data model for Twitter. The next data model is for Reddit. So there are again 4 columns that are the fields in this. So first is title, created at, added at, and post. So title is basically varchar. That's a mixture of variable and character, and similarly the post is a mixture of variable and character. So created at and added at both are date and time combination. So basically title is the title of the post that is there, and post is similarly like tweet content. It is basically telling me the description about the post. Again, created at and added at are telling me the post when it was created and when it was added. So now I am going to do the demo for the website that I have created. So basically, so this is my assignment that I have done. These are my codes. So first I will run the code Python manage.py run server. Okay. So this will give me my URL. So this is the URL that will go. So I have two buttons, one to go to Twitter and one to go to Reddit. So first I will go to Twitter. Okay, so as you can see, these are the tweets that have got extracted, and now I am going to, so this is my Twitter account. One second. Yeah, this is my Twitter account. So Tanya Daryal, and as you can see, these are the posts that are there for my Twitter account. Now I will show how I will add. So now if I am suppose writing this is my second assignment post, and I will proceed. Yeah, so as you can see, this is my second assignment. This is my tweet ID. This is June 21st, 2021, and the time. So if I will see my Twitter account, this is my second assignment. This is what has been posted from my account. So this is about tweet. Now I will click here to go to Reddit. Yeah, so this is these are the posts that are on my account. So here, as you can see, these are the posts from Reddit. Now I'm going to post, so I will suppose put the title as social assignment, and my content will be this is my second assignment, and I will submit. So this has been posted, social assignment. That this is my first column name, that is the title of my post. Then this is my second assignment. This is the description about my post, and I have the date, which is given over here, that is June 21st, 2021, and this is my time. So this is basically the post that I have created. So this was the demo of the website. Okay. So basically, so I'll just close the session. Okay. So first, these are the access tokens that are there. So for Twitter, I have the access tokens from the developer ID. And similarly for Reddit, there are various client keys and secret client tokens which are there on the Reddit ones. This is my views. So all of my views that are there over here, where I am displaying my data, I'm showing my data, I'm reading the data. So everything is over here. This is just my admin details, and this is my settings basically. So my database connectivity and my settings, everything is mentioned over here. This is about my database connectivity, and I have my manage py where I will be running this code. These are my templates. So basically I have various templates over here. So this one is my tweet post one. So this will give me my tweet post GUI. Then I have my Reddit post GUI. So basically there are various colors, and I can also add a picture, but I did not have time to add a background picture and work on my GUI more. So this is what I have worked on. Okay, and yeah, this is basically my Elephant SQL that I have, and I have my API access and everything over here. So this is basically giving me all my details through which I'm doing my connectivity to SQL. So this is Elephant SQL that I have used. Apart from that, yeah, so this is all the basically the code that I have done. Also, so for the HTML code as well, this is my homepage code. Then I have this code will tell me the Reddit, basically my GUI where I'm posting my Reddit posts. So this is my GUI for that. So here also I can add various image links which will give me background, but again I didn't have that much time. This is also my background. So here there is colors. Here also I have different colors, and my text color as well. So all this is there. This is for specific home. So basically the home button, when I click it, takes me back to the home. So it's for that particular thing. Then I have my tweet post. So tweet post will basically this is my GUI. So this will basically give me the website graphics for where I will be posting my tweet. Also for that one. And last I have tweet show GUI. So where I will be showing my tweets. This is for that particular GUI. So yeah, I had different things in mind, but unfortunately it could not be completed as per the given time. So this is how I have built my website using Python and Django and HTML and Elephant SQL and PostGRE SQL, which is already present in Django. Okay. So post this, there will be a YouTube link which will be posted once I have finished recording my assignment. And that was it about my assignment. Also, this is the flowchart that I have followed for building my app. So I have gone ahead and built my app according to this particular flowchart. I hope I have completed all the requirements as per needed for this particular assignment, and we'll make sure to do it. If anything's remaining, we'll make sure to complete it the next time as well. So this was all about my second assignment, and I hope it was as per the requirements. So this is my end, and thank you.